By definition, New Mexico has primarily small manufacturers. We will walk into manufacturing companies that employ 2 or 3 people and are doing millions in dollars of work, whether that's high-tech lasers for the satellite industry or pickles. So a lot of times the small guys are some of the best suppliers, and they're supplying the national laboratories with a lot of the materials that they may need. We're in right now what we call Industry 4.0, or the fourth industrial revolution, which is where we're integrating the cyber-physical world, the digital manufacturing, smart manufacturing. So we've come from doing things in a very, very manual, labor-intensive process to more of a clean room environment, fun, dealing with technology, constantly having to be adaptive and flexible because it's changing so quickly in that environment. There are several New Mexico manufacturers that supply the national labs and the research institutions throughout the state. They need that support. The labs demand high quality, high precision, high security type systems, and that makes manufacturing in New Mexico that much better, because you're good enough for the national labs, you're good enough for anyone.
At OptiSource, we manufacture laser quality optics for prototype and OEM use. The challenges are finding people that can think analytically. Some people are overwhelmed by the technical aspects of the work, but we teach that. We teach the shop math, so you really don't need any experience. This industry, what we do, lends itself to a lot of growth. So right now we're trying to find people, because we brought in more machines. We've doubled our capacity in the last year, and we are expanding our product offerings and really looking for people that we can bring in that want to stay with us long term.
OptiSource believes that its employees are its greatest asset, and so they concentrate on your trainings. And most importantly, they work harder than anybody. So it's nice having a boss who will actually, on a daily basis, outwork you.
We're very excited about the prospects for what we can do. We've got an awesome team that can manufacture optics that I think a lot of people can't do. So we are very excited about our prospects for the future. What we need is to find the right people and get them trained up and get them online quickly. We're getting where we want to go. We still got a lot to do.